In question 235, they're asking us what number is not part of the domain for this function, right? This function right here. And the reason why we want to limit the domain in most cases is because we want to ensure that the denominator does not equal 0, because if the denominator is 0, then that is undefined in mathematics. So the goal here is to look at what would make the denominator, the x plus 5, equal to 0, right? And we want to exclude that value or those values from the domain. So what we're saying is that x plus 5 cannot be 0, because if it is 0, then it's undefined in mathematics. So now we go and we solve this inequality just like it's an equation, right? We subtract 5 from both sides, and we get x cannot equal negative 5. And that's the best way to leave your answer, right? You're stating that the domain, which are all the input values, cannot equal negative 5, because if it does equal negative 5, then that would make the denominator 0. So, when CPM asks, how can you tell? And the best rationale for that would be, you can tell that x cannot equal negative 5 because when x does equal negative 5, the denominator would be 0, which is undefined in mathematics.